Good evening, everyone, and once again, thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So for today's segments is a very special segments again. Anyway, I'm going to introduce you the latest product of the Tops 2026 Year 75 Baseball Series 1. This is a fresh and it's a new release. It's a new release for the baseball. So, well, I am not fully aware of these what you call this one, those players. But there is a chase for the rookies, top three of the rookies, and of course, there is a chance for you to pull the signature. But apparently, for those very good high tier of the hits, is under the hobby box. But of course, we are trying this blaster box in a sense, or value box. So another day, another unboxing session. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, so this is my first attempt for the year of 2026 of the baseball. So hopefully we can get the good hits in here. And I'm not pretty sure how it looks like. Is there any SP or SSD hits in a sense? I am not pretty sure, but let's see. Alright, I believe it's 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6 packs per box. It's quite tough. 6 packs per box. Okay, so hopefully we can get the good hits in here, or any case hits, hopefully, as long as different looks of the card maybe. So first pack, magic. All right, oops. Oh, this one is the MLB star, the back ISO. Okay, so I'm not too sure how we define rookie. Oh, this one is RC. Okay, we separate all the RC. Hold on, who is this character? Yes, Messick. Okay, not that one we are looking for. Okay, Jose Garcia. Yes, RC. Oh, I think Garcia is one of the top 3. I forgot those rookie. Oh, not this one, not the top 3. Okay, Tennessee, Girl, Peyton, RC. I think Red Sox. I'm not sure. Okay, the star of MLB. Hopefully it's a rookie. No. Yeah, but I'm not pretty sure which box that you can able to pull the those a vintage card. Eric Nanta also is they put in here is a reprint. But of course, if you manage to pull that one, that is the good hits also as well, and it's the price maybe quite good in the market, I believe. Hopefully we can get Otani in here. Actually, I only know Otani. Blake. Okay. Wilson. Conti. I cannot see clearly actually. Okay, it's a team. FC team. All right. Hopefully there is a good insert in here. Okay, the 3 leaders, pitchers, Peralta. No, rookie, Jose. As long as I can read the first name, Jose. Dodgers. This one is from Dodgers. Ooh, this one is the insert. One of the insert. Like a ticket. Ooh, Soto. I think this one is a good hit. Soto. Later I will do the sleeve. Who is this? Oh, Yellow. Christian Yellow. Yala. Yellow. And this one is Juan Soto. This one is good. Not a rookie. And of course, the special signature is a model of the Tops box, something like that. There is a Tops hobby box in here, then signature, and then the player. I saw the one of the hits or chase hits for the signature. All right. Hey, come on, Shohei, where are you? Willie West. Okay. Shohei is from which one? LA, right? Okay, Dodgers. I think Dodgers, right? Sanchez. Not rookie. Okay. Oh, this one is. I thought it's RC. Okay. I thought Shoni Atani is a Sunny. Sunny. I thought Shohei. That's why I paused. Okay. It's a Red Sox team. Ooh. This one is the Fernandez. Miguel Fernandez, is it? Uy. Wait. It's a double hit. Sorry. Canel Fernandez. Okay. It's an insert. I think it's a base insert. Okay, we put all the base insert in here. And ooh, De La Cruz. Okay, this one is good. Eli De La Cruz is one of the legend or something. Yeah, but it's a good insert parallel. And Shohei, no, Joe Bryan. Okay, it's a Joe Bryan. It's a glittered foil, glittered parallel, silver. Okay, I put in here. And this one also is one of the hits. This one is a hits. Definitely is a hits. Okay, this one is a normal. We put in. This one is what? Oh, RC. Okay, I put all the RCs in here. All right, we already on half. Sorry if I a little bit slow, but this is my first time ever that I rip for the latest product of the Tops for the baseball. All right, Tristan. Okay, rookie. I think Tristan is one of the top 3, I believe, because there is a top 3. There are 2 of them is a quite long name. That's why. Miguel McGratty. I think he's a good pitcher, I believe. Okay, the team. Nulan. Okay, Nulan, the brother, sister. His sister is Mulan. Philadelphia. I think this one is from Philadelphia. Ooh, what is this? This is an insert. I think it's an insert. Jackson McNally. Jackson McNally. It's a little bit different, so I think it's an insert. Base insert. Okay, we put in here first those base insert. Tommy Edman. Okay, Joshua. Ooh, this one is a Japanese. Mistaka Joshua. Okay, I don't know who is this. Ooh, nice insert. Very nice insert. Who is this? Taze. And the star of MLB. Oh yes, this is the what you call the old card. So that's why the insert is quite old at the back of the card. But who is this? Carson Williams. Oh, it's a rookie day. I think this is a good hit, guys. Please comment down below if I hit jackpot. I'm not pretty sure, but hopefully. But I know Mantle is one of the jackpot in a sense. Okay, I'll put in here first. One side and MLB. Roman Anthony. Okay. This one is who is this one? SD. What is the SD? Ding. I'll put in here. Alright, second to the last pack. Hopefully we can get more. I really don't know what is the case hit looks like in the blaster box or value box in a sense. I'm not pretty sure, but let's see. Oh, it's a little bit different. Okay, I thought it's a MLB again. So many MLB. Okay, guys, I am very sorry if I don't know the players because I am not so often watch the baseball, but I just watch only on those breakers and then see what is the chase cards in there, who is the player the most, something like that. So, oh, Soto again. I have the Soto in here. Carlos Cortez. Oh, this one is rookie. We put in here all the rookie. Okay, another rookie, Fuentes. Odin Fuentes. Oh, Singer. Ooh, a giraffe print. I believe this one is a good hit and it's a parallel. Bailey. I'm not sure this player is a good player. One of the good chase. I'm not pretty sure, but of course this one is a good print. First time I see. I never see in other YouTube when make the video, but maybe a few more I need to watch. Okay, Roman Anthony. It's the Titans. Roman Anthony. Titans. Nice. Excuse me. Okay, last pack. Magic. My goodness, I just done my dinner, so that's why I am very full. Okay, next pack. Magic. Okay, this one is the MLB. The stars of MLB. Who is this? Roberto or what? Oh, Mookie Betts. I don't know him. Okay, Gonzalez. Oh, this one is one of the top 3 Gonzalez. Just correct me if I'm wrong. I just anyhow. But I do believe that is one of the top. I'm not sure top 3, top 5, but it's on the top one. Included on the tops. Luke Bailey. Jackson, rookie. Bits. I'm not too sure. Again, this guy. Tins Adams. And what is this? Alicia is a coach or something? I'm not pretty sure. First pitch. Oh, it's under the first pitch. Allison. Oh, Alicia Newman. Alicia Newman. So this one is a normal first pitch. first pitch of inserts. I think this one is a normal inserts. And then even the Titans also as well. I think normal insert is the Titans. Okay, I'll sleep first all those good hits that I managed to pull. There we go. Okay. Hold on. Lama. Wait guys, I will clear my rubbish in here. Okay. Alright, those very good hits. I'll put in the very good sleeves also as well. Like, I think this one is one of the case hits, I believe. I'm not pretty sure, but I'm thinking that way. It's case hits, you know, and especially I managed to pull the I'm not sure it's a rookie day when it's the old school one or rookie day. Oopsie daisy. This one is a base insert and a ticket. So I'm not sure if you've been able to pull this what you call, if you can manage to pull the signature in the value box or a blaster box. I'm not very sure, but of course let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is all my pulls. Those are normal inserts, or yeah, a base inserts. Okay, Anthony De La Cruz, Eli De La Cruz, this one, yeah. And star of MLB, I haven't pulled Shohei Ohtani. Okay, Fernandez. What is his name? Judge. Okay, Aaron Judge. And Yalk. I think Yalk, not yellow. So sorry if I cannot pronounce correctly your name. My apologies. Okay, I'm not make fun of your name. Okay, I'm very sorry, but I respect. Okay, so this is what we good hits in my own opinion. Okay, so Juan Soto, Jackson McNeil, Jackson Merrill, I guess. Yeah, it's a normal base insert. Joe Bryan. I think Joe Bryan is a good pitcher. And the vintage, his name I cannot read in here, but let's see. And I believe this one is one of the case hits. Is the giraffe, or is a baseball print. I'm not too sure. It's not. Oh, is it numbered? Oh, numbered, guys. 21 out of 50. Dang. This one must be good hit. Hold on. I hope I can fit in here. I can. I think so. Oh, it's a baseball print. I'm not sure if it is a baseball print, what they call. Maybe Hey, nice. 21 out of 50. That is the big hit for me. I literally this is a big hit. Literally. Okay, put in here, so this is double. No. I'm not pretty sure if we can able to pull a mem card in value box or blaster box in a sense. So far the this box is good hits in a sense. Yeah, I can tell. Alright, very nice. So guys, if you like the unboxing sessions into my YouTube channel, so go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And of course, don't forget to hit like, share, and comment down below. Please comment any types of the unboxing that you are request, or any opinion is open for everyone. As long as I can cater on it, I will do. Okay, so see you guys on my next video, and have a good day. Goodbye everyone, and God bless all.